Now, here electrophilic substitution in naphthalene system of our discussion topic. So here substitution takes place preferentially at the one position rather than two position. Why? Substitution takes place preferentially at the one position as compared to position. Why? Because after formation of one of the example we have draw here. So in presence NO plus, here when this double bond attach on this NO plus electrophile and form this form one form, and here second position is attacked here. But here the after formation of this Wheeland intermediate, it show six canonical form, and here in case second position it form seven form. So the plus charge is here also more stabilized through delocalization. This plus charge also stabilized through delocalization. So here one second form is more stable, but sixth form, in that case one position is very reactive position. Here substitution can take place Wheeland intermediate for one attack, and the positive charge delocalized over the second ring, leading total seven form. The positive of charge more widely delocalized in the naphthalene ring, so it expect ready to electrophilic attack. In case sulfonation with sulfuric acid, prefer always one substitution. So we can conclude here, when naphthalene react in electrophilic substitution reaction, the one position is first react and then second position react, because the second, when after react in second position, it can be stabilized this carbocation through canonical form. So this form is more stable, but reactive is on this structure. Here sixth form, we also sixth form exist here, because the second ring leading total six form here, and here seven form. Now our discussion topic is pyridine. So here in case pyridine, here the mu is equal to 2.3d is dipole moment, the direction of dipole moment at downward position. Then pyridine has 6 pi electrons. It referred pi deficient heterocycle. Substitution takes place with difficulty at the C3 position, 1 to 3 position, because this leads more stable Wheeland intermediate. So in case 1, 2, 3 position, here the plus charge is formed here. Why only third position? 2 and 4, why not? Because the reason is the intermediates of 2 and 4 attack each has canonical structure in which positive charge present on over of nitrogen atom, which is highly unstable because high energy state. So after 2 attack of pyridine, the structure is formed here. 2 attack here, when the 2 attack of electrophile, the plus charge is formed on nitrogen atom, which is unstable, highly unstable, and the plus charge of nitrogen atom, because due to the electronegativity of nitrogen atom, the plus charge formation of plus charge on nitrogen is very unstable. And when the attack it is 4 position, 4 number 1, 2, 3, 4 position, then here the same thing is happen here. The plus charge is present on nitrogen atom. So pyridine has an available electron pair on nitrogen, so it can protonate and interact with electrophile. It's one of the important point. In presence electrophile, sometimes pyridine has lone pair, and pyridine can trap the electrophile and form this byproduct. So the third position is more preferable as compared second and fourth, because the plus charge is very unstable on nitrogen atom. Next, our discussion topic is pyrrole. in case pyrrole, here the dipole moment direction is upward direction and 1.8 d. It has 6 pi electron in delocalized pi orbital. 6 pi electron system, and the dipole of pyrrole is found to opposite direction of pyridine, because in case pyridine we show the dipole moment direction is downward side on the direction of nitrogen side. So here that is positive end of nitrogen and the negative end of nucleus. Here the positive end of nitrogen, negative end of nucleus. So the dipole of pyrrole is found to opposite direction of pyridine, that is the positive end of nitrogen and the negative end of nucleus. And here preferential attack at 2 position rather than 3 position. Why? This one is 2 position and this one is 3 position. Why? Because greater the stabilization of Wheeland intermediate. So here when 2 positions is react on electrophile from this product, and the plus charge of nitrogen stabilized by this type of conjugation, and here the plus charge is formed here, and then this is the intermediate of Wheeland intermediate, and also which one stabilized, and this of this hydrogen, and then when the case of 3 position, then this type of canonical structure are formed here. And but after one case is here, when the C2 is blocked, when the second position is blocked, then it also react in third position. But here second position, 2 position is very reactive as compared third position.